Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my online English class. I'm Mohammad Shahabuddin, English lecturer of Shah Sharif Degree College. Dear student, the world seems to have stood still. Our economy has collapsed. We are morally or mentally isolated since we have no class, no teachers, no friends to interact with. To tell you frankly, we are in utter frustration or disappointed. But don't be disheartened or disappointed. Better days will come again, and everything will become normal once again. As you know, the scientists all over the world are racing against time to invent a possible vaccine, and hopefully, this vaccine will be available at the end of this year or early of the next year. Until then, I suggest you to fight COVID-19 with patience, with what, with moral courage. Okay. In the last class, I taught you right form of verbs. Right form of verbs, as you know, depends on 4 grammatical points. These 4 grammatical points are subject verb agreement, tense, then active passive form, then conversion of conversion of verbs from present to past and past to past participle, and sequence of tense. So in the last class I focused on subject verb agreement. Today I will focus on tense. As you know, verbs are determined by tense. Our tense are determined by some specific words and phrases. So you need to memorize those words and phrases. These specific words are the indicative of particular tense. So to cope with these points, you need to have a comprehensive idea about tense. But today I am not going to teach you tense because it is an elaborate topic and it is time consuming, and I think that you have already learned tense in your previous class. So first of all, I should say that if a sentence contains always, daily, occasionally, usually, normally, sometime, often, then the sentence will be in present indefinite tense. So you need to know the right form or the structure of present indefinite tense. By knowing structure of present indefinite tense, you can easily correct the right, or you can easily put the right form of verbs. Suppose I always speak the truth. Here, it will be speak the truth, not spoke the truth, because it's present indefinite tense, and the structure of present indefinite tense is subject plus V1 plus object plus extension. In the same way, if a sentence contains some past indicative words such as yesterday, long ago, long since, last night, last month, and some past date which are indicative to past, you have to use past indefinite tense, and you have to know the structure of past indefinite tense. By knowing the structure of past indefinite tense, you can easily use the correct form of verbs. What is the structure of present past indefinite tense? Subject plus V2 plus object plus extension. That means you have to use past form of verbs in this sentence. I always speak the truth. Sorry. Suppose an example. He comes here yesterday. No, this sentence is wrongly written. Since there is a past indefinite word yesterday, the sentence will accept he came here yesterday. At the same time, I have a wonderful dream yesterday. The sentence is also wrongly written. because it will not be I have a wonderful dream. It will be I had a wonderful dream. In the same way, he be born, the be is in parenthesis, that is in bracket. Okay, so he be born in 1971. So what will be is consists of 6 verbs. Yes. Am, is, are, was, were. These 6 verbs togetherly called be verbs, and out of these 6 verbs, which one should we take in this sentence? So he was born, because there is a past indicative date. 1971 is a past indicative date, or the date indicate past, and that's why we should use was born. Okay. In the same way, if two clauses connected by since, and the first clause is in present indefinite or present perfect tense, then the last clause will be in past indefinite tense. Suppose many years have passed since I get together or got together. It will be got together, since the first part of the clause or the first clause is written in present perfect tense, then the last clause will be in past indefinite tense. So you know the formation or structure of past indefinite tense, so you have to use the correct form of verbs as per the tense, as per the past indefinite tense. In the same way, it was many years since I see you or saw you. It will be it was many years since I had seen you, because the first part of the clause is in present past indefinite tense, so the last part of the clause will be in past perfect tense. Okay, so if two clauses connected by since, the first clause is present or present perfect tense, the last clause will be past indefinite tense, and if the first clause is in present past indefinite tense, the last clause will be past perfect tense. In the same way, when a sentence is introduced with while followed by a subject, the sentence will be in present continuous tense. Okay, suppose while I was teaching English, I saw my principal sir. Okay, and if this subject, if this sentence introduced to while followed by a verb, this will be we have to place ing plus verb. Okay, if after while there is no subject, then the correct form of verb will be ing plus verb. While teaching English, I saw my principal. Okay, this will be the correct one. In the same way, if any sentence contain just now, already, yet, ever, never, recently, then the sentence will be in present perfect tense. So I finished my homework. I already finished my homework. So which one will be? Is this a correct sentence? No, because there is a word already, and the already is the indicator of present perfect tense. And now you have to use the formation or the structure of present perfect tense. What is the structure of present perfect tense? Subject plus have, has, or V3 plus V3 plus object. So I have already finished my homework. It will not be I already finished my homework. It will be I have already finished my homework. Okay, so in the same way, if any sentence contain now, at this moment, day by day, gradually, continuously, then the sentence will be in present continuous tense. So I sing a song now. No, it is incorrectly written. Okay, the sentence will be I am singing a song now, because now the word now is the indicative of present continuous tense. so you have to use structure of present continuous tense. Okay, at the same time, the sun get hotter day by day. No, it is also incorrectly written, because day by day is the indicative of continuous present continuous tense, so you have to use the structure of present continuous tense. Day by day the sun is getting hotter. Okay, so there are numerous rules. Because of time constraint, I cannot discuss all the rules given in this topics or in this point, that is the tense. Okay, so in the coming class, hopefully I will discuss, or I will explain all the details of the rules. And at the same time, once again, I should advise you that since a pandemic throughout the world is going on, you need to maintain social distancing, you need to maintain hygienity, and you need to wash your hand with detergent and try to save. Actually, life should be given priority first. Okay, so hopefully we will do everything prescribed by uh, World Health Organization. So thank you very much. Thank you once again.